Hey everybody, so we're going to go through today how to set up your virtual yearbook and how to share your link to sign each other's. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is go to the website, which is this Jostens yearbook right here. So click on the link. This is inside our Google Doc on Google Classroom, and it's going to bring you to the Jostens yearbook signing page. So right down here, you want to click Get Started. And then it's going to bring you to this page. And we are still getting started, so you want to click this button. This button over here is once you've already set up your yearbook, you can see what people have signed, so we'll get back to that in a second. But for now, click again, Get Started. Now you want to put in your name. I actually created an account before this video, and I can't create two with the same name, so I'm just going to go with Miss Pilger for this one. My school is Exceed Lower Charter School. Signing end date. So this is the date where your book will be closed and people can no longer sign it. So that date is really up to you. I'd say give people at least like 2 weeks, maybe on June 30th, but you can really go ahead all the way to July or August, up to you, however long you want to keep it open. So I'll go with the 30th, and then you just have to pick the state that you live in. So scroll down till you'll see New York in alphabetical order. Next thing you want to do, there's two more things on this page. Agree to the terms and conditions, and if you want to read those terms and conditions, click here, and the privacy policy, click here. And then you also get to customize what color your yearbook is. So I want to go with red because red's my favorite color. And that is what the home page of my yearbook's going to look like. Okay. Next thing you want to do is press Save Design and Continue. Then it's going to bring you to page number 2, the sign up page. What you need to do here is create your account by giving your email address and your password. Everybody has their own Gmail email address from your Google Classroom, Gmail, Google account. So right here, you're going to put your email address, and right here, you're going to create your own password. Remember to write down your password before you press this next page so you do not forget it. One way that you can figure out what your Gmail email is if you go into Google Classroom and you go under, discard that, people, you will see everybody's information here with your email address. You can also find that by clicking on these buttons up here in Google Classroom and clicking to Gmail. That's going to bring you to your actual email account, which you'll need to do to verify the account password anyway. So all right, let's go back to here. You're going to want to type in your email address, which for me is just mpilger@exploreschools.org, and create your password. And no, I don't want to receive information. Don't check that box if you don't want promotional emails. Then you click Create Signing Pages. So I just got that error message that said my password did not meet the minimum. So must contain 8 characters, which are letters, numbers, or exclamation points, including one symbol, 1 uppercase letter, and 1 number at least. All right, so let me try this again. Now I know I have a number, and then it turned green, so I got that check mark. It's okay. Create signing pages. Now you're going to get a message that says enter your verification code. This is so the website wants to make sure that the email address you used is actually you. And so at your email account, you're going to get a verification code by putting a number in down here. So you're going to want to go back to your Gmail page and open up whichever email is right at the top of your inbox. For me, it was this one from Jostens, and the code is right here, your code, 869932. So you can copy and paste that code, or you can just memorize it. Go back to that Jostens page and put that code in there. Now this website knows that you are you. All right, so step number 3, success, time to share. So my yearbook has officially been created online now, and if I want to share my yearbook with people, I can give them this link right here. This link is going to allow other people to open up your yearbook and type a nice little message into it. So you can copy and paste the link, or you can just click copy right here. So now that my link is copied, I can go back to this Google Sheet that we have for everybody. I'm going to find my name, which I did not create one for my name yet, but I'll just put it down here at the bottom. Let's say we got Miss Pilger, and then right click, paste. So now anybody can click on this link and it's going to bring them to my personal yearbook for them to sign. Let's pretend that I'm someone else and I want to sign Miss Pilger's yearbook. So I click on this link here and it opens up another tab directly to my yearbook. I'm going to scroll down and click sign pages. And then you can type in your name here, what font you want, give somebody a message, have an awesome summer. Now let's remember our Rise core values when we're signing each other's yearbooks as well. Only nice messages, things that you would want to read on your own yearbook, and spreading that positivity and love for each other. And maybe you want to put a sticker in there, a little avocado, very nice. And then if I click submit message, positive vibes only, yep. Now, we can take a look at my yearbook. So that message posted in that yearbook, and let's say now, let's go back to me, I'm Miss Pilger, right? I want to view what other people have written in my yearbook after I write in other people's. And remember, everybody's links, once we set them up, will be right here. So you can click on anybody's and send them a nice message. So now we're gonna go back to this page here, where we did our finalized yearbook and we had that link. Two things. If you don't want an email notification every time someone signs your yearbook, you can just check this bubble instead. So it's only going to notify you via email when your yearbook is completely signed. Up to you which preference you would prefer. Now we want to see our yearbooks. So you're going to click this button right here, yearbook info. And this will bring you back to the Jostens website page. So if you ever close your tabs and forget, you can always just go back to the Google Doc up top, click this link, and it brings you here. Where'd that go? Let's just click the link. And it brings you right here. So you're going to click, again, get started. But now that we've created our yearbooks, you're going to click access my signing pages. And because when I signed in, it remembered me, I don't even have to put my password in again. And here is my yearbook. So if you scroll through the pages, you can see that message that I left. Have an awesome summer. And this is what it'll look like when you post in each other's yearbooks. So remember to click through the links, send your friends some love, and if you have any questions, please reach out to your teachers. And have an awesome summer. Can't wait to see these great yearbooks.